Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share with someone else that you think will enjoy our videos. Let's start with this box today. We're on number 170 today. So we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here. So 4, 7. Same here, 4, 7. That means our 5 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1. A 2 here, so this is our 6 and 2. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 7, 5 here, so 4, 7. That means our 5 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 and 9 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got the 1 here. So 8, 9, 8, 9. That means our 1 has to be here. And if we look at this row, the only place our 9 can be is here. That makes this our 7. For this top row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 makes this our 2 and our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 4, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. And for this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 9. No help on the other two. So 4, 6, 4, 6. But that 9 makes us our 8 and 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, or sorry, 6 here, so 4, 8, and an 8 here, so 4, 6. That means the only place in this column our 8 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so 4 and 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing a 4, so we can get rid of this 4. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so 3, 6 here, so 8, 6. That 6 makes this our 4 and 3, and then the 4 makes this our 6 and 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 there, so 9, 6. And for this square, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1, and that 7 makes this our 4 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.